charge this? Y'all, let me find out I gotta charge this first. I'm afraid to be by yourself.
You ain't never afraid to be by yourself. Say you ain't afraid to be by yourself. Say you ain't afraid to be by yourself. You don't need a man, you do it by yourself.
What's up, family? It's your girl Audreenee, and we're back with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, we are finally upgraded our phone, and we are unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We got her in the deep purple, 1 terabyte, because as a content creator, storage runs out fast. Your camera be dying, your phone be taking up too much storage, so I needed as much storage as they possibly could get. And if you know, my favorite color is purple and emerald green, so you know I had to get it in deep purple. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox her. I hope I can pull this thing out for my nails. Unbox her and then set her up. This is gonna be real nice, quick, and easy. So let's just get to the point. If you're new to my channel, my name is Audreerenee. We do vlogs, we do hauls, we do fashion, lifestyle, motherhood, a little bit of all of that. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on your bell notification so you don't miss the next time that I post. And make sure that you follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked down below. Y'all, let's unzip her. I'm gonna move the camera down so that y'all can fully see. Okay, y'all, so this is the best that we're gonna have to do. My head just gonna be cut off, but y'all know I ain't got no comb head. Y'all know there is a top of me. Let's just go ahead and rip her open. You might as well just go ahead and just zoom this in. Your numbers, creeps. Oh, I actually need to do it. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and crack her open. Oh, snap. She's like a lavender and a deep purple. I love this. Ooh. I'm so excited. Do I gotta charge this? Y'all, let me find out I gotta charge this first. I know not.
The iPhone, yeah, girl.
Oh, no, look.
You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody, everybody, everybody. Now I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard.
Okay, family, so we are finally back after 2 hours of a break. I didn't know it was going to take 2 hours for it to transfer everything, so I actually stopped the whole transferring process just so I can get this video filmed. So everything is not even completely set up because the sun is about to go down. But this is what we have so far. I will pull the screen down so that y'all are able to see. I think some of the features that I did want to show y'all will not actually be available because of the fact that it took so long. I have already taken a few pictures on here, and I can say the picture quality is good, but you have to remember I am coming from the 12 Pro to the 14 Pro. I did not get the 13, and I know a lot of people say that the 13 and the 14, there's really not much of a difference to it, so I can't really speak on that because I don't have the 13, nor have I played with the 13 to see. I think the biggest thing that they was saying, actually, let's see. They were saying that the little menu bar is supposed to be up at the top, but that can also cause your screen to be dirty. So we're going to see if the menu bar is at the top. Let me find a song. And let's see. Okay. Okay, yeah, we gonna pull y'all down. I'm gonna pull y'all down so y'all can see. Y'all see? Honestly, fam, I think I'm just gonna have to play around with it and get used to it. Finish like really setting everything up, because it's hard for me to like see everything and see what all potential it does have with it not being set up. But 2 hours, come on, 2 hours. So I'm gonna have to set this up, put this on the charger, and we're gonna have to do a follow-up video. But this is just the initial. I did buy some accessories to go with it. I'm still waiting on my protective screen. It's supposed to be the blue light screen and then the back camera screen. But I do love this. And then I also have a case that I'm waiting on also, because we do need to put her on the case. But overall, I do love it. It's not too big and bulky. It's probably about the same size as the 12 Pro. I think it's, I don't know. I'm gonna have to just do a comparison once I get everything set up. So that'll probably be in a different video. And I also might end up going to get the 13 Pro to replace this phone. The 13 Pro Max, and we'll have to do a comparison to see if it's really better. I know the only difference is with these, the 14 Pro, is it no longer has a SIM card, so it is an eSIM. So maybe because I didn't finish setting everything up, that's why it's saying SOS up at the top. Because like, can I use this phone? That's what I'm a little confused about when it says it has an eSIM. Like, there's no physical SIM card that I am putting inside of this device. But everything else did run pretty smoothly. And like I said, the picture quality from the pictures that I did take, they were pretty nice. I will insert on the screen a difference between the 12 Pro photos as well as the 14 Pro photos, and see which one do y'all think is a better quality. And I'll probably do, now hold on, something ain't right. This thing, I've only taken, oh no, it says my iCloud storage is full and I've only taken 13 photos. So I'm not really sure about that. Like, I need to just play around with it. But so far, when it comes to what I initially received the phone for, was for me to film my content, take me some bomb photos. Like, let's just start everything brand new. So that's what we're gonna do. Well, that concludes this video, my loves. I will have at the end of the video a slide of the 12 Pro and the 14 Pro pictures up on the screen side by side, so y'all can tell if it's worth upgrading, because obviously the 13 Pro photos are much better. Once I get a 13 Pro, I will do another video comparing the two to see if it's really worth spending your money on. But baby, I did. I had to go get that. So that is it, my loves. I love y'all. Oh, this just popped up. You know how on the other ones the screen turns off? Here your screen don't turn off. So this is my home screen. Well, not my home screen, but this is what it locked up to. So I guess whatever it is that I'm using. But that is it, my love. I will talk to you later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my videos for any other videos that you might enjoy, and follow me on all of my social media so you don't miss the next time. Wait, make sure that you follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked down below. Yeah, I'm getting tongue-tied and twisted up. Like, I'm just a little confused, but I'm gonna go, loves. Bye.
The peace that you cannot buy. Shine me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy.
hands up to the sound.